iPhone 15 Pro Max is here. Let's do an unboxing and get the first impressions out of the way. Let's do this. Hey, JB here, excited with me. We've got the new iPhone, just came in from UPS. I do like how they box this. Look at this, it got a little, see that? They kind of made a special box, it just pops out, which is really nice. Really great case, and a nice way to box it here. I am moving from an iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has got the blue color, you can see it here, into the iPhone new 15 Pro Max. So I have skipped a couple cycles. This is 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't feel the need to keep upgrading every year like I used to in the past. I've really gone to just upgrading every few cycles. What about you? Let me know in the comments. Do you upgrade every year, or what are you doing? It'd be nice to know. But anyways, let's get into this. Let's do the unboxing, the typical rip here and rip here. We can get into this and we can see what we got. Okay, this is my first impression. Nice case, obviously. Okay, here we are versus the 12. Wow, those cameras are huge. I mean, they are gigantic. Look at the difference in the size. They're just, the rings are bigger. It just seems bigger. Okay, so right away, the camera comes out, and it certainly seems thinner. Okay, USB-C, USB-C. Hard to believe that's here. Okay, that's it. So we got a USB-C cable and the phone. Okay, first thing, look at the size difference. To me, it actually looks a little smaller, right? Looks a little smaller. On the side, it's got that new button over here, which I'm excited about, which could be like a camera or whatever that you can hit real quick. Color-wise, it looks very similar. This is that brushed titanium. It looks really nice. So see that brushed titanium? And then here is the screen and everything with it. Again, it's right. It is the same size. It's just a lot thinner. It just feels thinner. Definitely feels lighter than the iPhone Pro Max 12, but really feels, I don't know, it just looks pretty cool. Those cameras, they're just huge. I mean, compared to, do I got something on there? I don't think I got anything on there. They're just, I mean, those cameras look nifty. So I'm excited about that. We'll be creating some more content with that. Let's turn it on real quick. See how long it takes to turn on. It's been a while since I turned on a new iPhone. I think let's see. Oh, there it goes. It's going. So it turns on. In the picture of Neil in there. Let's get this one open. I had 61% recovery last night, guys, so my recovery is not my best. So here we go. Hello, iPhone Pro 15 Pro Max. Pretty sweet, actually. Let's flip this up. Whew. Speedy. Oh, set up your new iPhone. Nice. That's kind of cool. So we'll continue here. Let's go ahead and continue. I didn't even know it was going to do that. See, it's pretty cool how this works. So right away, pretty cool. So we'll just do this real quick. You with me? Where is it at? Where is it at? I can't even find the iPhone. Where is that thing at? Ah, it's over here. There it is. Okay, we found it. Okay, now it's getting ready. So, all right, so this is going to get my iPhone over there. And again, okay, enter passcode. Okay, I am not going to show you my secret passcode. Somebody, it's funny, in another video I did it, and somebody's like, I know your passcode. I'm like, I'm probably never going to see you, but you never know, right? You never know. So we're getting activated, which is great. Again, I'm excited. I mean, it's like, I was talking to one of my marketing guys over in Europe. We were talking today about how exciting it is to get a new iPhone and how you get that dopamine rush. That's awesome. Okay, transfer from another iPhone to this phone. Yes, transfer number. Okay, now you know my number. You can't see my number. I don't really care if you have my number, to be honest with you. I don't think it's that important for too many people to really care about my phone number. Okay, in full disclosure, that little jump cut there, I was having trouble getting the data transferred, but it happened. It happened pretty quick. Pretty cool. Like the size of the 12 is definitely bigger. I'm noticing that is definitely bigger than the 15 Pro Max. And it just, it's a little slight less profile, and it's lighter. I also notice it's darker. Like it's like a dark blue. You can see I got it in the case. I got it all protected now. It's like a darker blue. And it just, some about it feels better. Maybe because it's new, right? It's a brand new iPhone, so it feels better. But it definitely feels quicker. Obviously, it's 3 versions faster. The photos I just started playing around with, I really like. The video, or the ability to like just zoom in is just crazy. Look at that. I'm zooming in on me right now, and it's actually, look at that. It's actually getting me pretty good. And let's just zoom back out. Whoop. Again, let's do it again one more time. Ooh, there he is. There he is. Hello, everyone. And zoom back out. Pretty cool. Like, what a cool phone. Like, I'm excited about that. Let's turn it this way and do that. Let's do it this way. Okay, here we go. Let's zoom in. Okay, we're zoomed out. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, the phone, it's pretty cool. There we go. Okay, there we go. See, and then I did it like this way, horizontal. And then let's zoom back out. We'll see how that looks on the video. But overall, I'm very happy. I'm excited about using this. Again, it's a new technology, so you're always excited when you get this. But thought I would share with you my initial feeling. And actually, it pockets pretty good. Like, I typically just throw it in my pocket. I know it's very similar to this phone, but this phone's a little bit heavier, a little bit bulkier, and it just, I don't know. It's just something weird. It just fits in my pocket better. So I've got just a clear protector on it. I make it the 12 South book. I used to use that years ago, and I kind of like that. You keep your license and stuff in there. But overall, I've got the screen protector on it, the screen protector on the cameras, and ready to roll. I'm happy. Good phone. I've got to clean up my apps and stuff now. Obviously, I haven't done much with this phone in years. And threw it on the charger, by the way, upstairs. Charges really easy, pretty good. And then, of course, you got USB-C. So it's kind of crazy how much stuff has gone to USB-C now. And, you know, that's obviously we've all got those cables, but it really charges on the MagSafe really good. So anyways, exciting new phone. I'm excited you're with me. As always, thanks for being here. We got some great videos coming. Just wanted to share with you kind of initial thoughts. I mean, I haven't even had a chance to really do anything. I just got the box. But I wanted to share with you my feelings as I got this. And I'm actually excited. Normally, I wouldn't be this excited, but the cameras, the way that it works, pretty pumped up about this thing. How about you? What's going on with you? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Lots of love. Hey, go do it to it.